Hello and welcome from this very special live coming straight from Positano on the Malfi Coast, and really excited to be doing this. How are you all doing? It's a new time for us, of course, that we are starting this. So looking forward for some of you to join in. This is the first time I think we've done a live outside our studio or my home. This is the first time. I love to shoot when I'm outdoors. So I thought, why not do a live this time as well? It's always good to use the beautiful lighting that's always there. So a big hello to everyone, right there. And this one, as I said, a very special live for us to be doing from this beautiful destination. Look at that, look at the view. Right now, that's the view to be enjoyed. But yes, we are launching a brand new collection, which is the Neve Summer Essential. This is a look 1. Hopefully we'll get to do some more, but for now this is a look 1 what you're seeing me wear. अब इसकी जो details है वो मैं आपको ज़रूर यहाँ बताऊँगी, and I'm going to show you and tell you all about it. But on the color options, we've already kind of posted the pictures. You will also see a video coming up where I have worn this and I've shown you all the color options available in this in a video format. So that's going to come after the live. We're going to be posting it. So yes, you guessed it right. This was absolutely organized. I'm going to just post the link where you can place your order. There you go. I just forgot to do that, but there you go. I have to just pin it. 1 second. 1 second. Let me just do that again. How are you all doing? It's a brand new time for us in India. We've never done it, but I just did want to use the beautiful light right here. There you go. So it's pinned down and you can see it. You can place your order for this piece that you see as it is. We have the pictures, we have the video, all the details that you will need. And yes, I am in Italy for a few weeks and you may see one more live coming. But for now, this first look which is launching right here, it's the Neve Summer Essential. Why is it Summer Essential? Cotton jacquard, as soft as it can be. Really soft, really easy to wear. You can see the whole flow. Lots of color options for you to choose from. Now I have styled it as a kurta with all of this detailing. I'll come closer and also show it to you. With a really flary pants. You can see that whole flary pants. Very easy to kind of dress up. Now with it, coming along is a linen dupatta. And you can see this is really contemporary. Very, it's very light to be kind of wearing this. Now, it's also light gold zari. So, some of you may think that ye kaun sa zari hai, but this is a light gold zari, contemporary with its stripes. And yes, it's one single color, top, bottom and the dupatta. It's also the same fabric used for the kurta and the dupatta. Now, some styling will make all the difference if you see the detailing right here. And if you see it, there is this plain fabric used. It just does make all the difference. Your look starts to kind of look different, feel stylish, but it's super comfy and absolutely wearable. Day ho, or a night event, wherever you're planning, it's really good. You can see I'm a little, flustered. This is live that I'm doing outside without my team, but yeah. So I mean, it's always good to be with them, but this is special. And really excited to be doing this, bringing you this look from here. So you can see this is going to be our signature color in this particular one. This is a chocolate brown color. We have a beautiful yellow, red and many more for you to choose from. So I hope you kind of get to see it. We've done all our homework, so you will see a nice video with all the color options. And if you see a color difference, of course, this is all natural color, even that particular one. So it's all natural colors, aisa aapko jo dikh raha hai. So that is it. And you can place your order on WhatsApp and you can, yes, in real time, pick up a color option that you like and place your order on WhatsApp. My team is there. They will also be shipping it out to you as soon as they're ready. Now these dupattas and fabric, ek set hamesha hamare paas ready rehta hai. Uske baad the second one, yes, we may have to dye it and send it to you, so that may take a couple of days. But yes, apart from this, lot of content releasing on Facebook, Instagram, constantly in videos. So yeah, you will not feel the miss of a live. Beach mein kar payenge to zarur karenge, but otherwise, this fabric 2250 per meter and this dupatta 20,800. And silhouette like this, I'm going to just go back a bit. you know, yes, if you wear gold shoes, really gives a nice touch. So you can really dress up in gold accessories with this particular one. This silhouette is going to take you about 6 meters to kind of go for it, 6 to 7 depending on your size. I've taken 6. And this dupatta, you can of course take it separately if that's what you have in mind, but the whole look is what you're going to go for. Pick up from the color options that you get to see, and it's essentially a style video. What you're seeing, this is an extended style video because color options in pictures and in videos are all there on the page already. So yes, apart from this, we did a really nice video on our premium Chanderi cotton with handwork dupatta, that's also there, and our organza ombre shaded dupatta is also there. So yes, and you know, you can, I kind of love to do this. I always shoot while I'm traveling. That's only possible because you essentially absolutely love what you do, and I do, and we just wanted to kind of add some excitement this time, so we thought why not do a live as well. But that's all. Thought we'll come and say hi to you, and you can see the whole look right here, but also the entire view. I am on the Positano coast, and it's beautiful out here. So enjoying the summers very much. Hope you will like this one. And this is a Neve essential for summers. This is the look one that you're going to go for. So go for it, guys. I will see you really soon again. And orders are open now on WhatsApp. अगर आप नए हैं तो आप ये लाइव देखिए, स्क्रीनशॉट लीजिए एंड गो ऑन व्हाट्सएप, नो द डिटेल्स एंड प्लेस योर ऑर्डर. ये जो है ये एक ensemble सेट है, आप जितना चाहें फैब्रिक ले सकते हैं. एंड येस, essentially it can also be customized in a color choice. If you have a color choice in mind from the shade card, it can also be done like that. So thank you guys for joining in. I know it's late in the evening, but have a great one, and I will see you again very soon. WhatsApp orders now open. Bye guys, bye.